Welcome to my channel, Body Talk.
What if just 30 minutes a day could improve your mood, strengthen your heart, boost your brain, and increase your energy? That's the power of daily exercise. Many people think exercise is only about losing weight, but it's much more than that. In this video, we'll explore why exercise is essential for your body and mind, what happens when you stop moving, and how small daily movement can completely change your health. Section 1. What is exercise really? Exercise doesn't mean going to the gym for hours. It includes walking, stretching, cycling, playing sports, home workouts. Any movement that gets your body active counts. Your body is designed to move. When you stop moving regularly, your systems slowly become weaker. Section 2. Exercise and the heart. Your heart is a muscle, and exercise makes it stronger. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, reduces the risk of heart disease. A strong heart pumps blood more efficiently, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. Even simple activities like brisk walking can significantly improve heart health. Section 3. Exercise and the brain. Exercise is not just for the body, it's powerful for the brain. Physical activity improves focus and memory, reduces stress, boosts mood. When you exercise, your brain releases chemicals that help you feel happier and more relaxed. That's why people often feel mentally refreshed after a workout. Daily exercise is one of the most natural ways to support mental well-being. It helps reduce anxiety, improve sleep, increase confidence. Movement gives your mind a break from overthinking and helps release built-up tension. Even light exercise can make a big difference in how you feel emotionally. Section 5. What happens when you don't exercise? A sedentary lifestyle can slowly harm your health. Lack of movement can lead to weight gain, weak muscles, low energy, poor posture. Sitting for long hours affects circulation and increases the risk of many health problems. Your body needs regular activity to stay balanced. Section 6. How much exercise do you need? You don't need extreme workouts. A healthy goal is 30 minutes of moderate activity most days, or even 10 to 15 minutes if you're just starting. Consistency matters more than intensity. Small daily effort is better than occasional hard workouts. Section 7. Simple ways to be more active. Here are easy ways to add movement to your day. Walk instead of sitting whenever possible. Stretch in the morning. Take short movement breaks. Use stairs instead of elevators. Do light exercises at home. The goal is to move more, not to be perfect. Exercise is one of the best gifts you can give your body. It strengthens your heart, sharpens your mind, and improves your overall quality of life. Start small. Stay consistent. Your body will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips.